Today we will be making apple pie. So you can get 3 medium apples of your choice of color, and I'm going to cut them and I'll be back with you shortly. Once you're done cutting your apples into this size approximately, you have to get a pinch of cinnamon, like that much, and add it in. Then you have to get 5 tablespoons of sugar, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. Once you're done doing that, you have to rub it in. Make sure you've washed your hands before doing this. Once you've finished rubbing it in, you leave it to set for a while for the sugar to soak into the apples. And in the meanwhile, we'll make the dough. Now we're going to make the dough. First, you add 2 cups of flour. We're adding 1 cup of plain flour and 1 cup of almond flour. Wait. Then you add a pinch of salt and a pinch of baking powder. After that, you add After you've added 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil, you add 2 eggs, but one of the eggs has only the white, and you also add a pinch of vanilla extract into the eggs. After that, you'll mix. Once we're done mixing, we'll see you again. After we've done the base, we're going to put it in the oven at 180 degrees. Make sure you have a parent for this. You should have it in the oven for 25 minutes and you're done. This was made by Leora in grade 5. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.